Taiwei Xinluo focuses on the electronic field, involving the research and development and customization services of electronic products in consumer, industrial, military, medical, communication, computer, intelligent applications, aerospace, and other fields. The company has a professional R&D team and a high-tech collaborative R&D team which can independently develop new products and also customize product solutions for customers. The company has established good cooperative relationships with many well-known domestic and foreign component manufacturers, including the world's largest component distributor, Avnet, Aero, component spot supplier, RS Electronics, Element, and strategic partnerships with Shenzhen Circuit, Elec and Eltec, Xunjie, and other circuit board manufacturers, ensuring our good component supply quality and ensuring that customer products are launched and sold as soon as possible. Starting from details such as material selection and certification, PCB wiring, and new product introduction, collaborate with customers to research and improve manufacturability design. At present, the company's developed products have covered various fields, including drones, wall-penetrating radars, inertial navigation, intelligent Internet of Things, power control, unmanned driving, mechanical control, precision agriculture, health monitoring, remote sensing measurement, construction engineering, measurement and mapping, and deformation monitoring. Through our excellent design, comprehensive supply chain management, and high-end manufacturing and maintenance methods, we achieve customer satisfaction. We will provide the best electronic manufacturing services to our global customer base. Taiwei Xinluo looks forward to working with you to create a technological future together.